Whoa, what is that? Rats. It's a chihuahua and a little baby. Please go ahead and take him away. What's going on, guys? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is an indoor camera sent over to me by a seller in Amazon. Quick unboxing and review. What we got inside the box first off is, let's see, it's a power cable and the brick, and some mounting brackets in case you don't want to set your camera on the table. You can put it on the side of your wall or whatever, but it's an indoor camera only. Power brick, long ass cable as far as I could tell. It is USB Type-C connection to the camera and USB regular for power supply, to connect it to your power supply. Here you got manual. I don't think nobody likes to read manual, so it's just two options: either read the QR code or that one camera. But pretty small camera, speaker, dual both-way audio. But let's go ahead and give it a real good display right here. Spin, and there you go, spin. Gonna go get my battery. I don't feel like plugging it into my wall plug, so I got a portable battery right here. Again, you do not need to plug it into the wall plug because it uses the same amount of power as any other charger, with the exception of these fast chargers. It's just a regular original 5-volt 5-watt chargers, I believe. But you gotta hear that click, because I was having a hard time right there. Hear that click, then you see the blue light lit up. It's gonna make a noise and it's gonna start looking around, spinning around. I'm not sure what it's doing, but whatever. Anyways, once you're done with that, go ahead and download the app. Dzees, which to me sounds funny because it kind of sounds like a these nuts, ha ha ha. Anywho, sorry, not funny. But I already have one of these ones. I thought it was gonna automatically do it, but I don't have it on this phone, so I'm gonna have to cut away, get my other phone, and do it from there. But once you do your create your account and everything, first off, it's gonna ask you for, obviously, it's notifications like everything else. Your Wi-Fi. Once you enter your Wi-Fi, it's gonna ask you for permission for what is it? Crap, I forgot. Anywho, it's gonna ask for an update, because pretty much every single thing you get, it needs an update immediately for some reason. But once you do that, you're ready to get started. I'm not gonna tell you my settings. You do your own settings, boy. I don't pick your girl, don't pick mine. Thank you. Or whatever. Anyways, seller in Amazon, link will be in the description down below. It does have tracking motion. It does not require a subscription. You can see the camera from wherever you are at. So if you're out of town, out of the country, you can see it. So that's pretty cool. Let's take the plastic off. In the front, on the back you got speaker. On the front you got that button. That button is a call button. So you press it, it'll pretty much start calling whoever has the camera set up on their phone. The SD card and the reset button are right below the ball, the lens. But it looks pretty good. You do get options on the resolution of the video. You do get let's see right here. It says 4K. No, I mean 2K. Sorry, 2K. So resolution 2K HD or SD resolution, whichever one you want to pick. And tracking motion, this one is pretty cool. It does track anything, pretty much. So whatever movement it sees, it'll track it. So far, so good. Well, like I said, you guys want to go ahead and check them out. Link in the description down below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.